Hi YouTubers, welcome to another part of my friend's Talisman train set. I'm just examining them at the moment, and in this section I'm going to have a look at the rolling stock. These two coaches are the original from the Talisman, and this one has obviously been bought as an extra to provide some excitement. So I'm going to check out these three. I'm hoping that near the end of the video I'm going to put this on a piece of track and see if it still runs. I think it's electrified because of the platform, so I'll get that wired up and hopefully we'll see the mail being uplifted and delivered. Okay, let's have a look at these coaches. They look in pretty good condition. So I'm just going to very carefully take them out. You might notice I'm wearing protective gloves because I don't want to put any more marks on this that I can help. And it looks pretty clean. Look how nice and black and clean that is. The wheels look good, obviously needing a bit of a clean, but they work. The couplers don't look as if they've been dropped on the floor, and the outside looks very nice indeed. Roof, no scratches, dents, but a little mark there. Otherwise that doesn't look too bad. Let's look at the second one, and I don't even know what these are. The brake, second or first, I don't know. Anyway, this again looks in pretty good condition. There's no scratches, dents, no paint spills, roof's good, underneath looks pretty good. And remember, these were built 1959, 1960, where we didn't have a lot of the moulding. That looks slightly bent, maybe not. I'll have a look at that. But in working order, so clean the wheels, lubricate the couplers and the bogie pivots. That should be pretty good. The boxes to one side. Let's have a look at the Hornby T.P.O. Travelling Post Office Mail Van set. The box, this is, I don't know how old this would be, it looks in pretty good condition. A little tear, there's a little tear at the corner. Price on it 35 and 6. So if you have it in the vintage that knows how real money was in pounds and shillings and pence, this is 35 shillings and 6 pence. £1.15 and 6, which is £1 and 75, 27.5p, roughly. Yeah, 1.77. You can't even get a pint of beer for that. So anyway, apart from that break in the box, it doesn't look too bad. Inside, we've got the kit. That's been very well looked after. There's a little information leaflet, which I'll fold out later on. This is the mail van. Again, tin plate. Looks in pretty good condition. The doors swivel, but whether they operate as should be, I don't know. Metallic looking wheels for pickup here and here, but really nice condition. The transfers or the decals not worn at all. W807, the number of the coach. Yeah, very nice condition. Here is the TPO platform. You can see there are metallic contacts that meant to fit with the rail, a hook for the uplifting bolts, and a scoop for the one that's been dispatched out, and a little operating switch. I notice there's contacts here, little postman's hut, and that there looks as if it's going to be operated by something. This here perhaps, I'm not sure. Anyway, what I'll do is have a look at it, and inside this little packet, yep, we've got a couple of mail bags to allow us to test it. That can go in there. Yep, so looks as if we could have a little bit of fun with this if it works. The post office collection platform has been set up. I've got a mail bag just at the end of the hook. I've got my coach on the track, and apparently you need to wire up a supply to the terminals here on the board. It should be done through a switch. I think that's just to prevent it being active all the time, and when the locomotive's approaching you activate the switch and then the coach comes. So what I'm hoping is it will be that one of the doors will open, pick up the mail bag, and then it will close again. Okay, so let's see how this works. I'm not sure if it's meant to kind of open and flap the doors like that, but it certainly picked up the mail bag. But I thought the door might have closed, so I closed it. Then on the way past, it should regurgitate the bag, but that didn't happen. So it hasn't been used in many years, perhaps just needs a bit of lubrication. So I'm going to relook and see if I can work out what might be wrong. I think the obvious place to start would be the electrical connections, the wheels themselves, and there's this little running contact that lies across the rails, and then there's the track itself. So I'm going to clean all those up. I've got some Track Magic, I've got a little felt rubber, so I'll give that a good clean and we'll give it another go. So here comes the mail train, picks up the mail bags and on its way to the sorting office. Take. Later on in the day, we've got another mail bag to pick up. Here comes the mail train. That was meant to spew out. There's the mail bag ready to get picked up. Along comes the mail coach. Picks up the bag. Terrific. Then the power is disconnected to prevent it working, and trains can run back and forth. Then later on we've got another mail bag to pick up, so let's activate the mail pickup. This time along it comes, sends out, did you see that? The other mail bag, and picks up that one there. You could have great fun. So to round this off, I'm going to pack this away very carefully. The instructions, which are about 60, nearly 65 years old. The platform fits in first, then I put the coach in, instructions, and the mail bags and the switch in here, and I can put this to one side and see what my friend wants done. Okay, so that's good there. These wagons, that's the rolling stock for the Talisman. All really pretty good. I'll get these stored carefully, and then we can look at another part of the Talisman set. Thanks for watching. I hope that was fun, and I hope you keep watching to the end and see what happens when I get to the locomotive. Take care everybody, catch you later, bye!